Hello Stackers, Defender Freedom here, back with yet another boxing from JM Bullion. I'm trying to keep my voice down a little bit on this video. The baby's asleep, so I'm going to try to make this video as quick as possible. But before I get into the unboxing of the silver from JM Bullion, I just want to show you guys this. A friend and a good coworker picked this up for me. I don't know where he got it. It is a genuine legal U.S. tender U.S. bill. Yeah, just a novelty kind of thing. But you guys know I'm interested in, or that I support, President Trump. And I don't know if that's focusing. Maybe not. But it says, this camera's terrible, but it does say Trump 45th President, $2 note. And that's what it says right there in the second line. It looks kind of blurry in the camera. Speaking of camera, guys, if you guys have any like video cameras that you recommend to do more unboxings, let me know. Something inexpensive. But anyway, so yeah, here it is. And it just opens up. And it's a Trump $2 note. So you got Trump's portrait on either side. $2. The date of his the election, which is November 8th, 2016. There's a serial number down there below. So yeah, pretty cool. Again, it's just a like a little novelty thing. On the other side, it's a COA, I guess, Certificate of Authenticity, and it talks about the 45th president. Legal tender U.S. note. So pretty cool. And the guy who's got this for me, his name's Fred. So if you're watching this video, Fred, thank you very much. This is really cool. Okay. Anyway, so I went to my local coin shop. I didn't get too much, but I got a couple Morgans. I haven't had any Morgans yet. I bought two 1921s, and this looks in pretty good shape. I don't know if it's not BU, but maybe it's VF. I don't know. You guys can tell me what condition this looks to you. Let me know. Anyway, they're both 21s. I ended up giving him the other one, as a thank you for this. So yeah, I had two, but now I have one. And I also got what is this? It's got some nice tarnishing on there. 1 troy ounce silver trade unit. Okay, cool. I had some nice toning on it, which is really, really awesome. I like it. Sorry about the lighting, guys. I know it's kind of bad, but yeah, 1 troy ounce silver trade unit and one Morgan. Now I had two, but I gave him the other one. All right, enough of that. Let's get to the unboxing. Let's move these aside here. Hope you're all having a great end of the month. I don't want to call it a weekend or whatever you guys happen to be doing, but happy end of April. My vacation starts here pretty soon, the first week. I'm trying to figure out how to open this. Let's just start here. Do like I always do here. As always, being careful not to damage the contents. Okay, I'm going to take out my invoice here. Alrighty. Let me just check and make sure really fast it is what I ordered. Sure is. Okay. Nothing in that one. I guess it's just padding. Let's see. These are always fun to unbox, aren't they? Again, I gotta be quiet. The baby's sleeping. Let's get this box away here. Okay. Alright, so here we go. I don't have a Libertad yet, so I decided to get just the 1 ounce. And BU. No, I'm not wearing gloves. I really don't care. You know, I'm not a stickler on having my silver shiny. So I really don't mind touching it. I'm not going to put it in a capsule. You know, I just like the way it looks. I haven't had a Libertad yet, so that is pretty cool. And these come in various sizes. You guys can actually get a 1/2 ounce, 1/4 ounce, and I think a 1/10 ounce Libertad, believe it or not. I've seen them before. But, you know, the Libertads do come in different denominations. There's actually a 2 ounce, which is what a coworker showed me once. So yeah, there's a nice 2 ounce, or not, I'm sorry, 1 ounce Mexican Libertad. So there's that. Plus I wanted to replace my Morgan, so there we go. There's a few more of those. Alright, on with my favorite part. Oh, sweet. Little guys, Silvertown 5 ounce. Yeah, these are chunky little guys. And you guys have probably seen these, but they're really cool in person. We've got some nice bubbles on them, some nice character, as you guys call them. So yeah, I got 2 of them. Very nice. 5 ounce Silvertown. These are the poured ones. I don't have a scale to weigh it. See, look, there's a little piece of silver sticking up right there. Weird. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera. It's right here. Anyway, still cool though. I'm not going to chip that off. No, I'm not going to take a hammer and break it off or anything. You guys in the silver community have been awesome. I really have enjoyed watching all your videos. So, you know, at night, I'll just, I look forward to watching you guys in your stacks. Even if they're not unboxing, just showing them off, you know. And you know, it's really cool. So I just want to give a shout out to all of you. Big Stack Mickey, couple others, quite a few of you, and I think that's all I can say right now. Here, let me zoom in a little bit. Anyway, thanks again for watching. It's a small unboxing, but just want to give you guys up to date and let you guys know everything's going great. Baby's doing well, and my vacation will be starting soon. Woohoo! We're going to the Grand Canyon, so my precious metals will be put on hold for a while for trip expenses, obviously. So anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Again, this is Defender Freedom signing out, and have a good one.